How to use your phone to monitor your monthly expenses. You need to download YNAB or you need a budget app. YNAB emphasizes assigning every dollar you earn to a specific purpose, whether it's a bill payment, a savings goal, or a fun expense. This eliminates the I don't know where my money went frustration. First, download the app. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. Connect your account, create your budget, track your spending. The key features of YNAB app are budgeting categories, goal setting, reports and analytics, cloud sync, mobile first design. YNAB is beyond just tracking. It gives you financial awareness, goal setting, financial confidence. It is a powerful tool that can transform your relationship with money. By using this mobile app, you can easily track your expenses, create a budget, and achieve your financial goals.